Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what could be the best frosted cups with lids and straws for all your drinkware needs. Whether you're into iced coffee, juice, soda, or even beer, this product from PYD Life might just be what you're looking for. It's the Sublimation Glass Cans Blanks, featuring a frosted design, a bamboo lid, and a clear glass straw. These 18 ounces beer can shaped tumblers are versatile, functional, and perfect for personalizing with your favorite designs, making them an ideal gift or a unique addition to your collection. The first thing that stands out is the design. These tumblers are made with a high-quality sublimation coating, which means when you add your designs, the colors come out bright and vibrant, not dull or foggy. If you're into crafting, this feature will make your projects shine. Whether you're into DIY customization or looking to create personalized gifts, these glasses offer endless possibilities. These frosted glass cans come in a pack of 6, and each piece is individually boxed in a white gift box, making them perfect for gift giving. The bamboo lid adds a touch of eco-friendliness, and the included clear glass straw is not just practical but also looks great with the overall aesthetic of the tumbler. Whether you're sipping your morning iced coffee, cooling down with a refreshing juice, or enjoying a cold beverage on a hot day, this tumbler's wide mouth ensures easy filling and comfortable drinking. One of the best features of these tumblers is their versatility. They are perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, making them a great choice for home, office, or even outdoor activities like picnics and camping. They hold 18 ounces of liquid, providing ample space for all your favorite drinks. The frosted glass gives a sleek and modern look, and the wide mouth makes it easy to use with a variety of drink types, from chilled beverages to cocktails. Customization is a key selling point here. You can add your own designs, logos, or artwork to make these tumblers your own. This makes them a fantastic choice for businesses looking to create unique promotional items or for individuals who want to add a personal touch to their drinkware. Imagine gifting one of these beautifully designed cups for a birthday, housewarming, or even during the holiday season. It's a thoughtful gift that's sure to be appreciated. If you're looking for something that's both functional and stylish, these frosted glass cans are a perfect choice. The bamboo lid ensures that your drinks stay secure, preventing spills, while the glass straw adds to the eco-friendly appeal. You'll love how easy it is to use, clean, and customize. Whether you're crafting your own designs or simply enjoying your favorite drink, this product brings a touch of class and creativity to your daily routine. In conclusion, the PYD Life Sublimation Glass Cans Blanks are an excellent option if you're in the market for high-quality, customizable drinkware. They're not only stylish and practical but also incredibly easy to personalize, making them ideal for gifts, promotions, or just adding a personal touch to your drink collection. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the best products out there.